up? Summer's popping, concerts popping, hotel casinos are popping, and we popping out. Me and my husband is going to be outside the month of August, September, October. Those are our months when our concerts be popping at the casino. But I want to tell you about 4 new friends I'm taking along with me. That once I tell you about my 4 new friends that I'm going to be taking along with me on every trip I take to a hotel, really a casino, because I think I'm taking at least 3 of them to Vegas. But let me introduce you to my first new friend, and then I'm going to tell you the reason why. And I'm sure all you guys already know the reason why, because you've heard of this before. Remember the lady who washed her drawers in the coffee maker and did a TikTok about it? The whole internet blew up over it. And now there's no coffee makers in the rooms. We've been going to hotels last year, a few places, and if not no coffee, you get those little tiny coffee cups. Well, I got a solution for that, and it is from Amazon, of course. But and let me tell you where I got this idea from. You know that lady on TikTok with like a lot of kids? I'm so sad that I don't remember her name. Black lady who says, "Hello, good people." You know her. Well, she was taking her kids and family to Disneyland, and I watched her pack. And the way she packed her clothes and her items for her kids made me go, why didn't I think of that? Because she was making money by packing her waffle maker, toaster ovens, anything food into containers and shipping it off. If she's willing to pay for it, to ship it off, she can use it. So that's what messed up your morning is not having coffee maker in the room. Having coffee near you, easy access. That just ruined your vacation. So I come up with a solution. This is an oven night wide mouth sprouts. Pour water quickly. Gets hot from Amazon. This is my tea kettle. I seen this on YouTube from somebody who was doing a travel vlog, and he had a little tea kettle. And I really like this because I'm the type of person that will pack coffee grounds for the coffee maker that they used to provide to us, but they don't no more. I'm the type of pack extra sugar, cream, utensils, and everything. So in the room with our coffee maker that they used to provide, but they don't no more, we can have it. But now that we don't have no coffee makers, what are we gonna do? Until now, get you your own tea kettle and bring it along with you when you are traveling, because it boils water hot quickly. You bring your own cups, your instant coffee, cream, sugar, and take this little tea kettle everywhere. So I bought a red one. So I'm gonna see how it looks. This is from Amazon. I got red because, of course, I'm gonna decorate the room with red everything. Boom, look how cute. Look how cute. Yes, this can go with me. Yes, you can go to the casino with me, to the hotel. Yes, you will be flying with me to Vegas. Yes, you will. Yes, you will. Because it's just a must. It's just a must. This is going to be one of my carry-ons for Vegas trip on the airplane. I'm going to put this in the box and call it a carry-on. But this little tea kettle is going to be coming with me everywhere from now on. Because it's for one thing, you can't warm up anything in your room. They took out all the coffee maker. Now, you just don't have no hot water either. Shoot, this is my hot water. I get warm up me some coffee, tea, noodles, My number 2 is this thing is going to come with me everywhere from now on. Because one thing I hate is cold food. So I'm the type that will pick a nice hotel for me and my husband. We will have the best concert, the best event. We'll eat the best food, have the best leftovers. Take it back to the room and find out we can't eat it. It's too cold. It's cold. But not no more. not no more. I have my other new best friend that will be going everywhere with me, especially if we got a car. Voila! Of course, it's red, my favorite color. It is a healthy fried food air fryer, a mini one. The box looks big, but it's a mini air fryer for travel. Why can't you bring an air fryer while you travel? Why not? Why not? They don't provide microwaves anymore in the rooms. Remember the hotels when they used to provide microwaves? They don't provide no microwaves. So how to go warm up our food? So we have the best hotel, best environment, concert, liquor, food, then our leftover food that it was expensive. It just got to go in the trash because it's too cold. Food is too expensive. Wasting. Oh no. I'm going to have my leftover food warmed up right there in my room with my utensils. So let's take a look at our new best friend. You got to take it, especially if you drive. You drive, take you this air fryer from Amazon. Link below. And of course, I got red. Boom. It's tiny. It is tiny. Look at this tiny air fryer. Oh yeah. And for Vegas, I think I'm gonna carry this on too. Put it right in this box. Put it in a pretty bag. And has add this to my carry-on list. Because if we gotta pay for luggage anyway, I might as well pay for my carry-on air fryer. And what's my other one? My tea kettle. Because think about it, when we're in our hotel rooms, we will really enjoy it a lot more if we had a hot cup of coffee. With all the fixings, you know, cream, sugar, whatever we want. From our fresh tea kettle. Where's my tea kettle? And then, what will keep us in a room feeling so happy when we come back to our room after partying all night, what will be so nice is to warm up your leftovers. Yes, your leftovers. They have these paper trays you put in here so you don't have to get this all dirty. That's been a dream of mine. I come back, I make sure I have food at the room when I could get in from the night of partying, you know, to have something to eat. Chicken, a hamburger, some fries. But you can't eat it and you can't enjoy it because it's cold. Cold. Okay, so they provide us with refrigerators in our room to keep our food nice and healthy and cold. But how we gonna warm it up? So we taking it out the refrigerator and eating it. I've looked up and down hallways at hotels. Do they have microwaves? Bring you your own air fryer when you travel. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, especially an overnight or 2-dayer. Take your own air fryer. Because even one day would matter. One overnight stay would matter if you have good coffee and be able to warm up your food you brought with you to your hotel properly. Alright? Get you one. Link below. Let's on to our next one. Okay, this one is my favorite. This one I learned from somebody. I was in Reno. Went down there for my union convention, and me and my husband drove up. We packed for 3 days. We knew we would have 2 luggages and a bag of stuff to carry out to our hotel room. We didn't pack heavy. Oh, and an ice chest. Of course, you're going to Reno, gotta have an ice chest. So we packed smart. But once we got to the lobby of Reno, we realized there is not a lot of lobby carts to go around. What do you call those? Lobby carts for your luggage carts to go around for Reno. So we were just standing there like, oh my, and it's packed, people going all over the place. I'm like, how are we gonna get all this stuff up to our room? You know, we got ice chests and everything. And then I'm just standing there and waiting for my husband to park the car. And I'm just watching other ladies and men and couples wheel their luggage in with a folding wagon cart. From a folding wagon cart, that's what this is, a folding wagon cart. They were wheeling their luggage in, check it into their hotel room with no problems, everything nice and organized on their wagon cart, checked in, and then wheeled themselves all the way up into their room, to the elevator, to their room. And I'm still standing there like, wow, I'm still waiting on a luggage cart because me and my husband could not carry this stuff up there. That's when I learned the new game has gone up. The new way of traveling has changed. So I went out for this year's season of casino hopping and concerts that's jumping off this summer and fall. I got me and my husband a wagon cart. Yes, a wagon cart. It's a folding wagon cart from Amazon. Bam. It's a big one too. I was like, why get a small one? Get a small one for what? What if if I get it small, it might not fit everything I need it to fit. This is game right here. Where is it? This is it right here. Wagon cart, your new best friend. I'm gonna have to put this together and come back and show you guys. This is what it is. A wagon cart, and it scrunches up nicely. Oh yeah. This is what I've been looking for. Overnight stays. Still, overnight you pack as light as you can pack, right? You got a bag, your husband got a bag. Then you got your little small ice chest. Then you got your food for overnight. That's 2 bags. Everybody got a bag in their hand. But I bet you there's something else that's weighing you down. But the whole thing is, when you're traveling, you want at least a hand free. So if you put all your items in this wagon, you're gonna have a hand free, and you probably might have both hand frees. And now you can move and maneuver and keep control of your property, because you know how things is nowadays. You might have to skedaddle real quick. Now you could just roll fast. I love this. When I seen this lady roll past me with this, I was like in awe. I was like, that is the shit. A folding wagon cart for travels. Now this won't be coming with me to Vegas. Nah, I won't take this to Vegas, but everything else, every place else I travel, if it's by car, this wagon cart, because I will not be lifting and holding on and carrying anything up the elevators to the top floor. It will be rolled. That's the new word, rolled to the room. That's the classy way. All right, get you a folding wagon cart from Amazon. Link below. That's all game. It's all the game you need to know about traveling. Smart moves to make when you're traveling is a wagon cart, air fryer, and your own hot water tea kettle. 3 things you need and you'll be straight. I give you my word. Last but not least, my last purchase for the summer. I needed to have this. I'm going to use it at some point, but this will travel with me if me and my husband's ever driving somewhere. Because if you know like I know, shade, protecting your shade around you is important. If you to decide if you're going to have a good vacation or a good outing or a bad one. No one likes to stand under direct heat or direct rain. So finally they came out with the Wondershade. Isn't this cute? Your own personal umbrella. Now I just got to figure out how to sneak this into the pool areas at hotels that be making us purchase shade. This one, I'm going to see if it's small enough to be smuggled in. Don't tell them the game. That from now on, when we go to hotels, and if it works, you know this going to Vegas with me. If this Wondershade works, and they don't stop you from bringing your own individual Let me get the scissors. Shade into the pool area at the hotels. This is your maker right here. Bam. I got purple because they had different colors. And my husband's favorite basketball team is purple. They got everything. I'm going to have to set it up, and it comes with this bag. Now, I'm just going to have to find the rules before I go to the hotels. Can we bring our own personal umbrella? Because I love being outside. I love being by the pool. I have a pool. So when I go to the hotels, I love being outside and checking out their pools. I am like sitting up in their sun. If they just allow us to bring our own personal umbrella to the poolside, that will be what's up. That will be what's up. Everybody will be cool. So y'all let me know, do hotels let you bring your own personal umbrella? Now, what I will do is the hand umbrella that you normally have, I will bring that regardless. And while I'm in the pool, I'll pop that up to have my hand. But that's not the catch. I want shade around me and my things when I'm at the pool or on the beach or at the park. My things. And that's what this does. I want my things baking in the sun, either my purse, my foods, my chair hot. I don't want that happening either. I want my own personal umbrella. So we're gonna start a campaign for pools to allow us to bring our personal umbrellas to the pool. This one stands up right next to you. And this is great for all kinds of ways. Parks, kids' games. You know, I do all that. This is going to be very useful. Especially if we have them rainy days. You can't tell me nothing. I'm going to have me an umbrella. I won't be sitting in the rain. And neither should you. Get you a Wondershade from Amazon. Those are my 4 favorite new friends this year from Amazon. That is a smart move to have.